So a good friend of mine was interested in fixing some speakers. So I thought I'd make this for anyone else in here. There isn't much in small online. If you have a good system, I will say they have a warm sound, smooth bass, and a good presence in them. You're going to need some other speakers to grant the sharpness. My friend was a big-time collector. Had every brand you could think of. In the end, kept these around forever. It wasn't until we got some 90s Yamahas I couldn't get the name of. We were both surprised we're the best. I was given these. And I can see why. Now, as with most speakers, the cover should just come right off. It's best to clean them over a shower. That'd be unnecessary to show, so I left it out. Keep working on these until you get them right. It will not damage them. And if for some reason that did happen, it would be because they use cheap adhesives. They go back on very easily. With the separation, there's two different ways to go about it. Professional glue or tape, it will not last that long. Make sure it's clear when it dries before you use it. Now, fixing the paint. You can also use tape or even eyeliner to fix them. If it's a wood, you should be able to sand it down and smooth it out. Ultimately, the vinyl wrap itself. I have some Kenwoods with this exact one. I would say it's common. You should be able to buy them online or at a hardware store.